Hello, my dear students. In last period, we studied warming up 1.2 synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. Today, we shall start this lesson. Literally, we shall start this lesson. A synopsis, the Swiss family Robinson. The Swiss Family Robinson is a well-known adventure novel that people of many countries have enjoyed for more than 200 years. This is adventurous story. Adventure means making courage, especially in the sea journey. That is adventure. How to enjoy it for 200 years. People are enjoying this story. It has also been made into graphic novels and films. This story, the Swiss Family Robinson, this is made in the form of graphic in films. Means films are also made from this story. The novel written by the Swiss clergyman John David Weiss is not just an adventure. It aims at teaching young people values like self-reliance, determination, love for your family, cooperation, and prudent use of resources. This is only it is not a story for entertainment. It teaches you many values like determination, self-reliance. Self-reliance means confidence, self-confidence. Then what you say, determination, love for your family, cooperation, helping to each other, prudent use of resources. Prudent means wise use of resources. Resources means the things which are available around you. For example, water, trees, soil, okay, or animals. Many things are there which you can use for your life, for the progress of your life, for the development of your life. It also had good lessons relevant in natural sciences, good husbandry, and even mathematics. Now it has good lessons relevant to in natural science, good husbandry, and even mathematics. Mathematics, we see which aspects are here considered or which aspects are here studied. And what do you say? Mathematics, good husbandry, and natural science. These these subjects are learned in this lesson. Some elements of the novel do stretch reality to a certain extent, but we must consider that it is a work of a fiction and not a fact file. Given below is a synopsis and outline of its basic story. Now some elements are there in the story, means some points in the story. When we look at them, we feel they are very true. Yes, but they are not fact file. That is a part of fiction. That is a part of your story. That is a part of imagination of whose the writer's imagination. So here is an outline of the story. Outline means it is a brief story or a summary of the story here. Let us see. William, Elizabeth, and their children had been traveling in a ship when the ship was caught in a great storm. William, Elizabeth, and their children. They were traveling in a ship, and all of a sudden, what happened? The ship caught in a storm. Means where were they? They were on the ship. Ship was in the sea, and in sea, weather is not certain. All the time, weather changes, and here happened same thing. What happened? Storm came there. There was storm. The other passengers evacuated them without them. Other passengers were there on that ship. What did they do? They jumped down from that ship to save their lives. But this family did not leave the ship. They were on the ship only. William and his family, including the young children Fritz, Ernest, Jack, and Franz. What were the names of the children? Fritz, F-R-I-T-Z, Ernest, E-R-N-E-S-T, Jack, J-A-C-K, and Franz, F-R-A-N-Z. These were the children who were left with them alone. They were surviving on that ship. They weathered the great storm, waiting in ship's hold, and they waited that storm will go, storm will stop. They were waiting. The ship survived the night, and family found themselves within sight of tropical desert island. And fortunately, the ship was survived along with the family. And where did that ship approach to an island? To an island it approached. It was a tropical desert. The next morning they decided to get to the island they could see beyond the reef. So they decided to come onto that island, which they could see from that reef. Reef means what? Rock and sand close to the surface of the sea. That reef, RWF. From that they could see that island. With much effort, they constructed a vessel out of tubs. After they filled the tubs with food and ammunition and all other articles of value they could safely carry, they rowed towards island. Then what did they do? They constructed the vessel and tubs. Now question is here, why did they construct the vessel? Vessel means boat or their ship. Why did they construct? Because in the storm that ship might have been broken. So it was needed to be constructed. That's why they constructed that ship or vessel, and with the tubs. Tubs means a place where they could have kept a lot of things which were needing for their life. So two dogs from the ship named Turk and Juno swam beside them, and two dogs were with them. What were the names of those dogs? Turk and Juno. They were swimming. The ship's cargo of livestock, guns and powder, carpentry tools, books, disassembled pinnace,